Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Las Vegas, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're looking at a common question. When is it better to repair your old deck, and when is it time to start fresh with a full upgrade? If you've lived in your home for a while, chances are your deck has seen some wear. Maybe a few loose boards, a soft spot here and there, or fading boards that don't look quite like they used to. These can seem like easy fixes, but sometimes what you see on the surface doesn't tell the full story. At Tuff Deck Builders Las Vegas, we often get calls from homeowners asking for small repairs. Once we step onto the deck, though, we can feel movement underfoot, boards sinking slightly, railings shaking, or joists that flex more than they should. It's not always the visible boards that fail first. It's usually what's underneath, the frame that supports everything. The foundation of your deck carries the load of every chair, every grill, and every step your family takes. When moisture, aging, or poor installation take a toll on that structure, repairs stop being effective. They only delay the inevitable. If your wood frame shows signs of rot, splitting, or insect damage, it's time to think bigger. Another clue? Constant patchwork repairs. If you've replaced boards multiple times or find yourself sanding and staining year after year, you might be spending more keeping the old deck alive than you would on a rebuild. When that happens, it's not just a maintenance issue, it's lost value. Modern decks use stronger designs and better materials than in years past. Upgrading gives you more than a facelift, it gives you safety and long-term peace of mind. For example, Fiberon composite decking is built to last for decades, resisting fading, mold, and moisture. It's a great choice for the Las Vegas climate. No cracking under the desert sun, and no warping after unexpected rain. And here's something many homeowners don't realize. Upgrading doesn't always mean tearing everything out. Sometimes, we can reuse parts of the existing foundation if the structure meets today's building standards. But often, the smarter and safer option is starting fresh. That way your new deck meets local code, supports heavier loads, and gives you cleaner lines and better drainage. At Tuff Deck Builders Las Vegas, our goal isn't just to build decks that look good on day one. We want them to look solid for years to come. We design every rebuild with long-term durability in mind. Solid footings, rust-resistant fasteners, and composite surface materials that handle heavy use. If you're unsure whether your deck is ready for replacement, the best thing you can do is get a professional inspection. We can pinpoint weak spots, test the structure, and explain your options in plain language. You can reach our team at 702-769561 or visit toughdeckbuilderslasvegas.com to schedule a consultation. Think of upgrading as a lasting investment, not a quick fix. Doing it right saves you stress, cuts future repair costs, and keeps your family safe on a deck that's built for today's standards. Thanks for tuning in to Deck Builders Las Vegas. Join us next time as we help homeowners make smarter decisions about building, maintaining, and protecting their outdoor spaces.